Hi guys, Vanessa here. Today I'm going to be creating this New Year's look that I'm wearing right here. I went really bold with the shimmer and glitter because of course what screams New Year's Eve more than glitter itself. On the lips I went very basic and very nude because we do have a lot going on the eyelids today. So even if you guys are just hanging out and drinking a glass of wine or champagne, whatever it is, even if you're just hanging out at home with your close loved ones, I hope you guys still enjoy dressing up and glamming up. So if you guys would like to follow along and watch me how I create this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I completed the look with the Kylie Bare Liquid Lips set. This is what I'm wearing on the lips. I feel like it just tied in the lips very nicely just because we have a lot going on the eyes. So I wanted to keep it very basic on the lips. As you noticed in the tutorial, you'll see that I went in with these two shimmery shades. They're like glitter toppers. You have to be very careful when you're using glitter on the eyes, but I feel like it just kicked the look and just tied everything together and making it very New Year's. So that's what I did for the eyes. As far as the eyes go, I wanted to kind of do something more rounded on the outer portion of the eye, just because I always tend to go for that very cat eye, or I like to kind of wing out the eyes and pull them out a little bit just because I like to elongate the eyes. So that's what I did today for today's look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope that it was very nice and relaxing, you following through, and I hope you guys can recreate something like this, even if we are just hanging out at home and counting down to 2021. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next year, 2021. Happy New Year's, guys, and I love you. See you on my next one. Bye.